Hey, everyone. Welcome back to channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of production methods. We're going to explore 4 key production methods: job production, batch production, flow production, and mass customization. Let's start with job production. Imagine you're ordering a custom-designed wedding cake. Job production is like that. It's all about creating unique, one-of-a-kind products tailored to specific customer requirements. So, if you're a baker fulfilling custom cake orders, each cake is a unique project. It allows for flexibility and attention to detail. Think of it as craftsmanship, quality over quantity. Consider a woodworking workshop. If they're crafting custom-made furniture pieces, each item is a project on its own. The skilled artisans pay close attention to details, ensuring every piece is a work of art. Next up, we have batch production. Picture this: you're in a bakery preparing a dozen cupcakes. Batch production is about producing a set number of identical products before moving on to the next batch. Think efficiency and economies of scale. By producing in batches, you can streamline processes, reduce costs, and maintain a consistent level of quality. In the automotive industry, cars are often produced in batches. You'll have a set number of vehicles going through the production line, each undergoing the same manufacturing processes. It's efficient and allows for cost savings. Now, let's talk about flow production. Imagine an assembly line in a factory where products move continuously from one stage of production to the next. That's flow production for you. It's all about the smooth flow of goods through the production process. This method is fantastic for high volume, standardized products. In a bottling plant, beverages like soda or water go through a flow production process. Each bottle moves through the assembly line, getting filled, capped, labeled, and packaged, all seamlessly. Last but certainly not least, we have mass customization. This is like having the best of both worlds, the efficiency of mass production combined with the personal touch of customization. Mass customization allows customers to personalize standard products. For example, when you order a custom phone case online, you're choosing from predefined options to create something unique for yourself. Shoe companies like Nike have embraced mass customization. You can pick your shoe model, choose colors, and even add your initials. It's the perfect blend of personalization and efficient production. And there you have it, 4 production methods that shape the world around us. Whether it's the careful craftsmanship of job production, the efficiency of batch and flow production, or the personalized touch of mass customization, each method plays a crucial role in bringing products to our everyday lives. Please check the description for study material and self-assessment sheet. If you enjoyed this exploration of production methods, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment telling us which method fascinated you the most. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.